The kit consists of the handguard, the gas block, the mounting mechanism, and the picatinny rail, which is either a 3D printed drop-in replacement or a 3D printed razor for the sourced out metal one on cults. For using this kit we need to take apart our airsoft rifle. First of all we take down the handguard like we replacing battery, and then we push out the pin in the back and then slide the upper part forward. Now we will need just the upper part of the rifle. First of all you need to take out the barrel, which you do by sliding out the hopup unit with the barrel. Then you take down the flash hider. Watch out for the centering ring, you don't want to lose it. Next we carry on by taking down the gas block. We take it down by undoing the screw on the bottom of its body, and then it will just slide off. That will free up the gas tube and we can take it out. Now we will continue with mounting the picatinny rail. For that we need to take out the barrel. For that we need to take out those two screws and the screw on the back of the barrel where hopup unit was. This screw is located inside that hole. Once you undone the screws, you should be able to pull the barrel out. It should go easy. The small outer barrel centering pad should fall off. This pad fits on the barrel where the hopup was. Now we get access to the 3 screws holding down the dovetail rail. We can undo them and then use them to screw in the dovetail rail, or we can use some metal rail radius sourced out on cults. After securing the picatinny rail we can go and start assembling again. First of all, we assemble our barrel again, we slide it in and then do the screws we undone before, so that's the 2 on the front and 1 on the back. Now we can put our hopup unit and barrel back in. We'll do it by sliding them inside the outer barrel like we took them out. Now we will disassemble our gas system. For that we will need to take out the gas piston from the gas block, which can be complicated because the pin holding it in could be riveted and you need to either drill it out or use the 3D printed part I've sourced in the project. Now when you have the gas piston you can put it into the new gas block. Then you can slide the new gas block on the barrel. You don't need to screw it down because now it's not holding anything. Now we will put on the mounting parts for the handguard. So we will take the 2 halves of the mounting mechanism, place it on the barrel, right on sitting on the body, and then we will put through the screws and the nuts, and we will bolt it down tight. After you screw the mounting part down, we can carry on and put on the gas tube. That could be a bit complicated because you need to get it into the hole inside the body. If you are in the right hole and the spring did not fall apart, you put it inside correctly and it will move freely back and forth. Kinda squeeze it and put on the last part. Now we can put on the flash hider with the barrel centering ring. And as the final step, we can take the handguard and just slide it on and secure it with a screw on the back. Now we can put our gun together again, but before we do that, let's first talk about battery. I am using a 3-cell LiPo battery and it can fit inside the body of the rifle, even with an active brake. For convenience to have more space in the body of the rifle, I trimmed down the central plastic piece in the body, because the only thing it does, it prevents the sliding the upper receiver from the lower one to forward, which you can easily handle by being a bit careful while disassembling your rifle. So the last thing now is to put our rifle together and we can go play.